Good morning and welcome aboard the Disneyland Omnibus. We'll be taking a trip up Main Street to the castle. During our trip, please remain seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Supervise your children. Sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. Here we go. We have the Main Street Strong Riders performing here in Town Square. Let's tune in. We're now traveling right down the middle of Main Street, U.S.A., the center street of the park, going directly to Sleeping Beauty's Castle, which you can now see straight up ahead. Here on Main Street, there's lots of cool places. For example, on the left, there's Carnation Cafe, Walt Disney's favorite place to grab his breakfast back in the day. As a matter of fact, they still serve Walt Disney's family recipe for chili. We have the fire engine driving by on the left, driven by Ross today. That was Walt Disney's favorite car here in the park. We also have the Jolly Holiday Bakery and Cafe to the left-hand side of the bus. There's sandwiches, soups, and salads there if you'd like to grab some. But with that being said, we're now entering the castle area. We're parking up at the castle, so please remain seated until the vehicle comes to a full and complete stop. Be sure to watch your step and use those handrails. Thanks again for riding aboard the Disneyland Omnibus. Good morning and welcome aboard the Disneyland Omnibus. During our trip down Main Street, USA, please remain seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times, and supervise all children. Now sit back, relax, enjoy the sights, sounds, and smells of Main Street, USA. Here we go. Alrighty folks, we're now approaching our final parking spot here in front of City Hall. So please remain seated until the vehicle comes to a full and complete stop. I've turned off the engine. Be sure to lock your step and use those handrails coming down those stairs. And thanks again for riding aboard the Disneyland Omnibus. Hope you have a wonderful day here in Walt Disney's original Magic Kingdom.